For all you people who really want to ball on a budget and ball till y'all fall, we finna do a wig, and I'm using some hair from the beauty supply. Mind you, it's HD lace in this pack. We're gonna see once I get this lace melted. The brand of this is Sensational Bare and Natural 100% human hair. They lying, but we're gonna do 18, 20, 22. They didn't have no 26, so I was with her. But they got a 4x4 lace closure that has the HD lace, and this texture is bohemian. So we finna see what they talking about, and y'all check it out. I paid, well, this was $139. I think they taxed me a little bit because I paid $151, but it's affordable though. So when I get home, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna make the wig, I'm gonna bleach the knots, and we're gonna do all the things. So yeah. Okay, everybody, we're here. I gotta take this wig off, and we're gonna just do the other hair that I showed y'all in the car. Honestly and truly, before I was introduced to bundles and all this extra shit, back in the day, I used to wear the damn beauty supply hair when I was in fucking middle school. And I would get like 12 inches type shit. But some people still like going to the beauty supply and getting that stuff. And you know, hey, I'm gonna be the one to help y'all. Y'all wanna get y'all hair laid and slayed and get it done and get it together. We finna look into it. So, these are the bundles. Now look, they said we do not recommend bleaching / dyeing natural black hair. It will not achieve desired results. I like your honesty, but we're gonna do it anyways. So these are the bundles. They're supposed to be bohemian, curly. To me, it's giving me very much deep wave or whatever. But I'm still gonna put like little highlights in it because when I stretch it, it go down here, and I wanted to touch down here, so I'm gonna loosen it the hell up. So I honestly and truly, I feel like if I was to wash this, it would loosen up. Most of my hair always end up black, and I honestly can do piece by piece and do like little highlights in it. It might not be as blonde, but it might be like a little rusty brown. But I could try to see what it's gonna shake. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna dye black. But I'm gonna like it because I know what I'm doing. But yeah, so it ain't giving me no issues. It don't have a smell, which is cool because some people that get beauty supply hair, it has a smell and it smells odd. But y'all, we finna get into it because HD lace at a beauty supply, my dude. I'm finna show you. Hold on. It need to be plugged, but baby, hold the hell up. This lace is thin. That's from the little tag. This lace is thin to me, and that's good for some beauty supply stuff. Imagine once I put a little makeup on it and melt it on my lace with that glue. We making a wig once again, cause y'all know wigs make the world go around, and we gonna make a damn wig. So this next clip, we're gonna start doing the dyeing and the bleaching the knots, and we're gonna get into it, y'all. I put the bleach on it and I let this shit sit for damn near like 15-20 minutes. Bitch, that shit did not turn. So hey, look, we finna make this wig and we finna get this money. Here's a close-up view of my stitching. I have a video on this already. I'm gonna put that down in the description below. But if you want me to go a little bit more and be more detailed, I'm not tripping. Just ask me and I got you. wig is finished. Overall, the wig is pretty full. Like, it's cute and it's very much giving me very tropical vibes. I'm just ready to see how this lace gonna lay down and see if I like it or if I don't like it, the pros and cons of the hair or the lace. So we finna get into that. I'm giving you Puerto Rican mommy, but what I'm not fucking with is how these motherfucking knots did not die. Like, look at that. No, ma'am. So we finna fix that with some concealer and some powder. But first, let's glue my wig cap down. I've seen plenty of people do this, so let's see how it works. But with the knots not bleaching well, that can indicate that it might be a little bit of a, maybe, I would say synthetic blend, or it could just be the quality of the fucking hair. But the hair don't feel bad, so I don't know. I'm not sure, but all right. See, we got the wig on. I put the makeup underneath, as you can see. So I'm about to adjust the wig and fix my part. The reason why I section my baby hair off like this and I'm gonna go in and pluck it because I want a deep swoop, as if like I had a nice side part with a deep swoop and get more of a frontal illusion. I mean, it's possible, but with this lace we finna see, so I'm finna do some extra cutting and plucking. So we're gonna see overall the quality, and I'm gonna give you a rating on the quality of this lace. Okay, so I done hot combed it and waxed it, sticked it, and my I mean, I actually like using a lot of body. I've been using a lot of body since I was a fucking kid. And bitch, I was motherfucking 5, 6 year old just putting a lot of body on my fucking doll's hair. Mind you, I'm 21 now, so yes, a lot of body is the truth. And I want my hair to have a lot of body when it dries. I like to put it on top after I hot comb it, because I just feel like it gives this extra shine. But overall, I'm gonna be honest, I'm liking it. It looks good. And what I'm gonna do next is spray my hair with a lot of body and then put some Garnier leave-in conditioner as well as some hair serum, so it can pop and I can frizz it dry, and it'll be like real, wavy, flowy, and bushy. Not too bushy though. Overall, I'm gonna give this Beauty Supply hair and closure. The hair I can give it a 9. It's not bad. The closure I give it an 8. I give it an 8. The closure is more transparent than HD. HD has more of a melted bling, because if I go and look in the mirror, it should look like nothing. Through the camera, it look like it's nothing there, but I mean, I know, because I just know. But overall, I still recommend y'all to buy this. This is some pretty hair, but thank you guys for watching my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe below. And let me know if you want me to keep making videos of balling on the budget and the beauty on the budget.